Hello everybody, Average Gamer here. Welcome to another episode of Kerbal Space Program Science for Everything. So, I have no idea where we're doing or what we're doing. All I know is we have 10 science. Whoa. That looks broken. So I recently installed some mods. 1000, what the hell? That, I think might have broken. I can't zoom out either. Yeah, so I had to reinstall Kerbal Space Program, and I think that's broken. I'm just gonna exit out of that. We really didn't get much unlocked anyways. We only had what, like 5 or 6 things unlocked. So what I'm gonna do is start a new one because I also have no idea or even remember, to be honest with you, where we were or what we were doing. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to delete the Let's Play and start up a new one. Science. Let's Play. Actually, you know what? Science for everything. Everything's going to be normal. Retro. Here we go. And let's see if it's broken. If it is broken, I'm basically just going to exit out, put everything in desktop mode. Oh, here we go. This is what we needed to change. The new tree. Pick the tree I wanted. And if I'm not mistaken, there we go. Because I had to update this. I had to update the tree. Because the tree apparently is more realistic now. So I don't know what parts we start with. Let's take a look. See what we got here. I'm going to go into the airplane hangar first, just so I can take a look. Probe core. Fuel tank. Okay. A launch tower, which we probably will never use. Some fins. Communitron. Barometer. A nose. Oh, nice. I can actually turn it almost like a bullet. You, and you. Okay. So we're definitely going into the vehicle assembly building. Wasn't too sure if we started with airplane stuff only or not this time. Looks like not. So obviously we're going to go with this probe core. I'm going to assume it can do some science. So we either have rusty or not rusty. And that goes on top. We'll set it red. Why not? We have all these different engines. Fuel tank. We have no way of... There you go. I'm going to do first. Science. Put the barometer on here. Wow, that thing's small. And we're just going to launch this real quick and do whatever experiments it has. That way I can get some Separatrons. So we can get Separatrons, then at least it'll make things a lot easier. It's floating. Turn you on. So looks like that's the only science thing we can do is this scan here. Okay, good to know. So it doesn't do any science. I'm going to assume also it won't project. Like it doesn't have a built-in radar either. So we got 3 science. That's enough to unlock. Oh, field science. General construction. Couplers. 5 is for basic science, electronics, liquid fuel engines. So mental notes, we don't have really enough science. Really doing nothing here gives us decouplers at all, actually. Yeah, stability, fuel systems. Liquid rocket engines, electronics. Yeah, nothing here actually gives us decouplers. Unless I missed the decoupler we might actually have. Some rocket engines, command and control. Oh, there we go. There's a decoupler. Ah, there's a decoupler right there. Okay. So we can do, let's say, 2 of you. Decoupler on top. And a decoupler on the bottom. And then I can do parachute on either side, but I can tweak the size of that so that it's a acceptable size, we'll say. That's acceptable. Let's move it down a little bit. There we go. They're center, but they're also like a foot away. Oh. Okay. There we go. Okay, so below we'll do the engine. Nice. Above we'll do whatever that huge bullet thing was. Coupling, aerodynamics. We'll add a couple of these on here anyways. We'll do 4. Boom. Wasn't there like a really crazy looking... There it is. Boom. And that looks like that. Oh. Let's do that. Okay, no, I can't change the size of that. Let's attach this one and change the size. Can't change the size of that either. How about this? Oh my god. With this one? Nope. You, I don't think will work properly. You look wrong. But you. Nope. You. Nope. So that's apparently the engine for this, I'm assuming. And that is supposed to hold it on the ground. Okay. So this technically goes... This goes at the same time. And both of those will go. And these will go when I tell them to. Okay. So here is our first launch of Sounding Rocket number 1. And yes, we might get up to 71 of these. Airplane joke. And we're about to fall over. Well, that was useless. Let's avert to the vehicle assembly building. Okay, so this not so stable. What if I attached it like so? kind of looks like it's being held in place, I guess. That actually looks pretty good. And the SR2. This actually looks really cool. This is where we launch and realize it actually connected somewhere else, and we take this thing with us to space. Temperature scan. I'll keep it. Because I don't think I can... Ah, you. We have a slight holy crap shaking. This thing can do temperature and... Oh, yeah, here we go. All right. Speed up in 3, 2, 1. Atmospheric. Done. That still has a lot of fuel in it. Okay, well. You were a waste of money. Nice lawn dart, though. And... well, let's just let this thing fall back to Kerbin. And there we have our first launch of the new series, Kerbal Space Program, Science of Everything. In the next one, higher, longer, faster, proper sounding rocket. See you next time, guys. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.